Hello everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. If you want to connect your Epson printer to a Mac but don't know how to connect it, then this video has got you covered. In this video, I'll use the Epson printer with an LCD panel. So if you're using any other Epson printer model, then you should connect with our team expert by calling at the following numbers. Alright, now let's begin with the process and get your devices connected in no time. Make sure your Epson printer is on and then move to its control panel. After that, you need to scroll right to choose the settings option and then press OK. Use the arrow buttons to choose the network settings option and hit OK. Then you should navigate to Wi-Fi setup option and then press OK. Next, select the Wi-Fi option. Once you see this screen, press OK to proceed with the further steps. Now, you will see the Wi-Fi setup wizard option and press the OK button one more time. After that, it will show the list of available networks. Choose the right network name and select OK. When you see the Enter Password screen, then enter the correct password and press OK button, and the printer will be connected to Wi-Fi. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, let's move to the next step to connect your printer to your Mac. Also, write your Epson printer model in the comments to get the tutorial on that. On your MacBook, you need to first open System Preferences. Now, click on the Printers and Scanners option on the Open page. To add your printer, click on the plus icon. When your Epson printer series name shows up on the screen, then click on the Add button and the connection will be complete.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.